Hello students, hope you all are fine by the grace of Almighty God. Before starting the textual exercise, I want to explain you what are homophones. Homophones are words that have same sound but are different in spellings and have different meanings. Same sound but have different spellings and have different meanings. For example, TWO2, TOO2. TWO means number 2. Here TOO2, too late, too good. FLOOR, floor. Floor means on which we walk in our house. FLOUR, floor, a fine powder of grains which we use in kitchen like wheat, jawar, bajra, corn, flour. FLOUR, floor. Story, STOREY, story. Story means a part of a building comprising all the rooms that are on the same level. Students, see this multi-story building. See this multi-stories building. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. STORY, story. Story means imaginary or real people and events told for entertainment. 1, ONE, 1. 1 means number 1. WON, 1. 1 means victory. We won the match today. Means victory. Come to our textbook exercise. Page number 33. Word power. Choose the correct word to fill in each blank. Raju told a funny story. Already I explain you. Raju told a funny story. Raju told an imaginary story to entertain his classmates. He dashed up the mango tree. He jumped or climbed. Climbed, CLIMBED, climbed. Climbed means go upwards. See, he climbed up the mango tree. He saw 2 eggs in the nest. He saw 2 eggs in the nest. He was sitting at the end of a branch. He was sitting at the end of the branch. This story is the correct answer. Climbed is the correct answer. Saw is the correct answer. End is the correct answer, students. Students, grammar in use. Combine this sentence using and or but. Read this sentence carefully. I slipped, I fell down. I slipped, I fell down. The first these two sentences are related to each other with similar ideas. See, I slipped, I fell down. These two sentences are related to each other with the similar ideas. We use and to join the sentence or to join the sentences or words. So, this sentence can be joined with and. So, this sentence can be joined with and. See, I slipped and fell down. Read the second sentence carefully, students. I slipped. I was not hurt. I slipped. I was not hurt. These two sentences are related to each other with opposite ideas. So, these sentences can be joined with the word but. I slipped, I slept, but not hurt. I slipped, but not hurt. He was my friend. He helped me. He was my friend and he helped me. See here, the ideas are similar. He was my friend. He did not help me. Opposite. He was his friend but he did not help him. He was my friend, but he did not help me. The word and or but. The word and or but are connecting words. Students, write and learn. No need to write this in class workbook. Write this in, copy down this in your textbook only.